Alright guys, welcome back to a part 2 of the 5T build. Got a little bit different setting this time. Got my own workbench over here. Late night update of 5T, just what everything I've got going so far. Got the parts back from the machine shop. Got the chopped up spare infraction and limitless braces over here. Bent them to make them all fit since these have no chassis support. They've got the front rear diff support, but if you guys watched Raz's video how easily this truck crumpled up when it hit the curb, just wanted a little bit extra support. Got the servo set up and everything for the dual brakes up here in the front. 3D designed and printed the fan mount for the 2028 800 kV. Since I'm going to be running 8.4 volts to the receiver, the servo will only take up to 7.2. I took my buck converter, set that all up, rewired my light bar over here, and then I designed my front rear battery trays that I want to run that are gonna bolt up here. Got 3mm carbon fiber with 4mm rib nuts for using Arma battery straps, and then got my ESC mount here. ESC is going to be temporary until I get my Max 4 in, just to where I can play with it if I want to. I probably will a little bit, just to get a good hang of it and see how long these tires will last. Probably not very long since they're not belted. I guess we're going to jump to the installation of the parts now. Alright guys, we just got everything all put up, wired up, all our wire management set up. One thing we don't have wired in right now is the light bar and the fans for the motor. We do have the fans for the ESC, but I am going to unplug that one so you guys can hear me as I'm going through this whole process. So right now I got my remote on, everything's already bound. I just got to calibrate the motor, or the ESC. So I'm going to start by doing that. Okay, now we're finalizing. Alright, now we get to see if it's going the right direction. I got the pinion taken off just to where we could check all that. So our motor's going this way with our gear. That'll make our spur gear turn. Let's see, clockwise. As you can tell, it's going to make the diffs roll forward, so that's the right direction. So all we got to do now is just tidy everything else up and go take it for a rip.